Hello, this is Sean Winders, digital coach for Union County. I want to show you a little update to Google Sheets that's been really cool. This is under Tools, this is Macros. Now, anyone who's not familiar with a macros basically record keystrokes and actions that you're doing. So if you have a repetitive process that you're constantly having to do the same thing for, if you record a macro, it's going to do that for you. So I'm going to show you, let me hide the tools here. I've got this little progress tracking, and I'm actually going to clear. So I've got each of these with a very similar format, but you notice I haven't really done much to this. So I'm going to start from the very beginning, and I'm going to go to Tools, and I'm going to say Record Macro. And so now, if this is doing right, I'm going to click up here, and I'm going to do some things that'll actually make this look a little prettier. So I want to choose alternating format. I want to take this first column. I want to make that look more headerish. And I want to then take this data here. I want to insert a chart. And I want my chart to be one area chart. Let's do a nice little scatter plot of the pieces of information so we can kind of see a broad thing. And that's all I want from there, so that's good. And I just want that to be drug over to the top. And then now I can go back to the tools with a macro, and I can say save recording. Trying to think of what I want to name this, but we'll just say format. So now I save that macro. Now I'm going to jump over to Winter, and I can say macro format. Needs permission to run. We'll give it permission. And then we say allow. You see it's done the same formatting and all the same steps I did for fall, but now it should be winter. And I'm looking at the data, those numbers are the same, but it ended up titling this name. So I just need to update the name of that, and that'll be easy enough to do. But then I can jump over to January and do the same thing. Tools, macro, format, on in and put in these data pieces. But that's all there is to it as far as running the macros. If you find anything you're doing repetitively, if you're constantly having to go down and hit like every third one of these and you don't know a script for this, you could go enter, and then say bold, enter, and then bold, and it's going to record those motions for you. So it's a pretty neat little thing that you can do. It's going to speed you up quite a bit. It's just a matter of kind of thinking about it. If you got multiple tabs and you know you're going to have to be doing a bunch of different formatting, then go through and record yourself doing it the first time, and that's all it'll be for the rest of the way. All right, thank you guys, and if you have any questions or need help with anything, just never hesitate to ask. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you would, please click the like button and the subscribe so you can be up to date with any of our new videos. And thank you for watching.